Hey guys, it's me Irwin, and today we'll be visiting the Food Expo as well as the Sungei Buloh Wetlands Reserve. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, do subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming right up and you don't want to miss them.
Hey guys, we are going into Expo Hall 6 for the World Food Fair. Today I'm joined by the same two guys again, and this is Greg. And we have Matthew over here who's camera shy.
Yeah, I need my trace together.
That was extremely weird. For the first time in forever, I had to turn on my trace together app. Thank you. Good shit.
It's looking like a lot of Chinese stuff.
Well, unfortunately, Singapore is majority Chinese, isn't it?
But if it's an international food thing, then why the fuck is it mostly Chinese?
International can be China.
Yeah, they're just called China at this point, not international. You know what Greg said? Greg said is like they have like one store that is just not from China, right?
It becomes international?
Yeah, it becomes international. It's like every Chinese group in poly, right, having that token Malay friend.
Then they can say we're not racist.
Oh shit, that's not Chinese.
Yo! Whoa, Thai sausage?
It is not fully Chinese after all.
Whoa!
Yeah, I heard this carrot cake is good.
Should we try some?
I didn't come here to eat.
I haven't had carrot cake in a while.
吃的
You can literally go forward. Literally.
Oh my god. Okay, this is a Chinese joke, but it's idling food over there. Pad Thai food. Okay, but I really want to get an orni. Hi, orni 一个。
还有吗？
啊，就这样，谢谢。
那这边吃的打包？
吃的。哎，谢谢。Looks good, looks good. Turns out that the Expo has a food court, and the food court is looking more like an international food expo. I mean, like, look at the place. Damn, there's all sorts of things around. Like this is what I call international. The weather doesn't look very welcoming. It's starting to get a little bit dark. So hopefully the rain doesn't really affect our walk later on, or if not, it'll be really a wasted day. But yeah, let's wish for the best, and I'll see you later. We are here at the Sungei Buloh Wetlands Reserve for a little bit of a walk. I kind of promised the guys that we'll be holding in the car, but I lied to them and they found out. We have a few people with us over here and over there as well. Opening hours until 7 PM. Last entry at 6:30. Stop!
Matt, turn it around. Matt, turn it around.
It says here there's crocodiles though. But where are the crocodiles?
Crocodile.
Oh, there's the water weeds here. And over there we can see the LTC short angry man. He likes to believe that he has served NS, but unfortunately we keep on reminding him that he's only been through NCC. Hey! Do it again! I didn't catch it! We were doing selfie cam! No, I wasn't! I didn't say that! Oh, we're going into the mangrove gallery now. he looks a little bit unhappy.
You look like Greg.
Yeah.
No hold it too tight though.
No, it's not.
You can see his grip is just nice holding it. Dude, but I
dang.
was so shocked when you caught this.
Hey Greg, they have something for you. Come, just come. No, just come. Just come on, do it for the content. Do it for the content, come over. Do it for the content.
You got it.
Yes, I got it.
I thought you were looking at Greg like he's the lizard.
I don't know, I thought he was there looking at something else.
Look at him.
Okay, put him back on the tree.
Guys, I'm recording this.
I love this lizard.
Be muted. I'm just gonna overlay I love this lizard. Yeah, put it back at the exact same place. No bro, he'll go back to his friends like, oh my god, you won't believe what happened.
And it's like, this guy caught me and tried to throw me at Greg. Ooh, that was a good release.
And it's gone. Good job.
What a happy young couple.
What a lovebird.
What a happy young couple. I'm so happy for them. Oh, it's an animal. That's so nice to see.
We can see a young hay bird over there. Yeah?
Whoa!
Yeah, way ahead. Yeah.
Soldier first, soldier strong. For all night.
If you can, even if you cannot, you must can.
Correct.
Oh my god, nice! A bridge, I've never seen it. Content.
We're back at the front already, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, turn back.
Hey guys, you want to go JB? It's right there. We do it the Mas Selamat style, let's go.
If you make it free,
Bro, our two best swimmers, right? Our two best swimmers, one of them is in NS, the other's in jail. You can guess which one.
Alright, what the fuck did you do?
I didn't do anything, I found it.
You just broke it again.
Yeah, I know. What? If I didn't break it, was it gonna fix himself?
Yeah, it's gonna fix itself. Don't you know wood is like
I will
very
throw the
good
rest of the remaining pieces at you.
because it wouldn't break? Chad, why do you look eternally pissed?
Pissed?
Yeah.
It's my face, I think.
Alright. Long fish?
Long fish on the left. To the left.
Oh yeah, there are. I don't think my camera can pick it up though. A long fish. The crocodile. Yeah, we can't see them, but we can see the ripples. It's most probably by them. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the wet formation, but it is still
Look, it's huge. Look at this boy.
Shit.
Do you want to catch it and put it in the web?
No, this is gonna bite.
Usually they don't.
Okay, I don't dare to go any closer, so I'm gonna zoom in. Damn, look at them. They are ready to attack.
Fall in.
What's that?
I'm the only one here who still does DTL. Like, if you think about it, right?
Actually, why are we not at the assembly? Just in the middle of nowhere.
See what you're front. You see, so yeah. Caps off, bottles.
Caps up.
Caps off, drink up.
Caps up, bottles off.
Yeah, TC, watch your buzz. TC, steady up. Check.
Flick of two fucking.
Oh, we came from here.
Yeah.
See, we park here. We
Uh-huh.
go over here. Here he got the lizard, remember?
We are here, dude.
Oh, we're all the way there.
Over there.
This is another car park, you know.
You twist.
Come on.
Fuck you.
Yeah, go to the tight pot.
Go Sungei Buloh.
I see how they get the name, bro. I see how they get the name. This is big, right?
Yeah.
They call it small. This is small, they call it big.
No, it's the length lah, parapunde. The length is... Why look at girth? Is there any route you usually take?
It's nicer this side than that side.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Over here is nicer.
Huh? Your young guys, no problem. Enjoy. But mosquito is irritating.
Mosquitoes won't be a problem.
This is to you.
This morning may be better.
Yeah.
You see more wild animals.
Because it's low tide.
Yeah.
So all the water is...
Now low tide?
No, now it's
Good
quite
idea.
high.
Oh, okay. Low tide you can see the crocodile.
This is what I do to women.
Meme song?
Day! Mem song. When I booked the fuel card in back on time in front of her,